This is Barona Drag Strip, which is a little 8th mile on an Indian reservation here inland of San Diego, California. It's a really rustic track, but the people are cool. There's a huge variety of cars. Today is pretty much just a grudge match test and
the 39 Chevy, and that is the very vehicle that I captured earlier in my Photoshop picture. He's back, all four coming off the ground that time. Sweet ride, hopefully he'll be back short. Stewart. On the left side, 74 Vista from San Diego, California. Alongside the 64 Daytona, that is Volado. One left. Another great photo opportunity. I want to see him. Show me your vantage point on this one. As we look to get staged. Here we go. 721 over 90 miles an hour. I'm not sure who's piloting that ride, but we know it's Steve Beck's car. It's 39 Chevy. And it ain't slow. We know that too. We're on side Evan Morgan from Moreno Valley. Trying to keep her straight. Red light, red light.